Hello, children. Good morning. I know you all are looking forward for today's class. In the previous class, we had an introduction about data and information, and we saw some real-time examples. I hope you all are familiar about data and information. In today's class, I'm going to recap types of memory and its classifications. Introduction to types of memory. Memory is the best essential element of a computer because computer can't perform simple tasks. The performance of computer is mainly based on CPU and memory. There are two types of memory. The memory capacity determines how much data and instructions can be stored in the computer, either temporary or permanently. Let's see what is primary memory and secondary memory. Internal memory is called as primary memory. It is designed to store data and instruction while the computer is working. It is a built-in memory which is built in inside the CPU. The data stored in the internal memory is erased when the computer is turned off. RAM, random access memory. It stores the information temporarily and works like a blackboard that can be constantly overwritten with the new data. The information stored in the memory is lost when you turn off the computer or the power goes off. Example, calculator, where the information exists till the calculator is on. The moment you turn off the calculator, all the data disappears. Next is ROM, read-only memory. It holds the startup instruction that prepare a computer for use. The instructions stored in ROM cannot be changed but can only be read. It retains the stored information even the power is switched off. Example, like an audio disc that can be played but we cannot record anything on it. External memory, which is also called as secondary memory. It is used to store information for a longer period. Data is not lost in the external memory even when the computer is turned off. The external memory is essential because the internal memory of a computer has a limited storage capacity. But in the external memory, the storage capacity is more when compared to internal memory based on the storage devices. Pendrive connects to a computer through a USB port. It is small in size but can store and transfer data from one computer to another. It can be handled easily. Children, there are a lot of pendrive available in the market with its storage capacity like 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB pendrive. CD stands for compact disc. It is an optical storage device. A CD is thin, shiny, circular disc that can store up to 700 MB of data. A CD can hold text, graphics, sound, images and videos. Hard disk. It is the main storage medium of computers. It is made up of a collection of disks known as platters. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It can hold large amount of data. Hard disk can store up to 8 TB of data. Nowadays, external hard disks are also available, which are smaller in size and can be carried anywhere. The picture you see is an external hard disk, which is not inbuilt inside the CPU box. DVD. The full form of DVD is Digital Versatile Disc or Digital Video Disc. It is an optical storage device. used for data storage and for recording movies with high video and sound quality. The storage capacity varies from 4.7 GB to 17 gigabytes. GB means gigabytes. Floppy disk. A floppy disk is a magnetic storage medium for computer systems. The floppy disk is composed of a thin, flexible magnetic disk. Since the earlier days of personal computing, floppy disks were widely used to distribute software, transfer files, and create backup copies of data. When hard drives were still very expensive, floppy disks were also used to store the operating system of a computer. I hope you all understood about the primary and secondary memory and other storage device. Complete the given question and answers and post the assignment in the group.